So, some fuckery just happened, for sure, for sure, for sure. Um, Treatment for chemical burns. Chemical. Oh boy. I could see my. I don't. Could I have seen that before? I don't remember being able to see my body. What the hell am I wearing? This dirty ass jumpsuit. All right, let's do this. I don't know where they want it. Huh? Bro, I just walked out. I just walked out. What is am I supposed to go over here? Ho ho ho! Fuck that. Fuck all of that. Gotta go up here. Oh. Bro, climb. Holy. Bro, there's nobody out here to help whatever the fuck just happened. What did just happen? Is the helicopter okay? Hold on. I still want to leave. Someone needed my help, yeah? Oh, shit.
You alright being up on your feet? My heat's killing me, but...
Yeah, my heat's killing me, bro.
I think so. You got me out. Did you get Gregor? I got you, aye.
Yeah, what happened to Gregor?
Find Gregor. Fuck.
Oh. Oh, I know who Gregor was. He was the motherfucker that fell, bro. Huh? Rafts, what are you still?
I need you to help me. Kaz! What?
What?
Right. Aye, what do you need? The cable's
Yeah,
stuck.
bro. What's up?
Go down and release the main brake, then come back up and raise the bell. If you can get it to my level, I think I can get him out. Aye.
Bro, just climb out.
It's all right,
The
we're getting you out.
You hold on. Let me take a good look at this. Bro, stop moving around before the chain breaks, stupid. Oh my fucking god. I'm gonna go help this idiot real quick, bro.
No, Kaz, you have to release
What?
the brake first. It's on the floor below you.
Oh my god. You could have just yelled that from like when I was down there the first time, bro. Alright.
That's it. Come back and winch up the bell now.
Just hang on, Rafts, and stop moving, bro. Whole place looks like it's on a fucking feather at this point. Alright.
What's going on, Brody? What happened? Don't know. The drill hit something. An air pocket or gas explosion. Nobody knows. But whatever it
Oh
was.
shit, yeah, the drill.
You were lucky, trust me. Douglas is trying to find out more. Like if the bear is even safe now.
Oh yeah, I bet y'all need me here now, huh?
I don't know, alright.
Hey, yeah, tell this idiot to stop moving so much.
I shouldn't have let him go down there. I said
Bro, get him out the thing while you fucking running your mouth.
Here, Rafs. It's Brody. I'm gonna get you out.
Oh my god, bro, just do it.
Is there anything more I can do? No, I'll get him. We need to know what's going on up top. You'll need to go through engineering. The way up is blocked from here. Where's engineering for here? I've never been doing this end before. The only way you'll get there is to go under the rig. Should be a clearer path down there. All right, I'll head down now.
I'll head down now. And bro, get him out of there, because he's going to be stupid and just shake that thing till it fall back in the water, and then nobody going to help him. Sure as hell not me. This whole fucking day has been shitty. I think I got to go this way, right? Wait, ain't this where I came out? Yeah, what the fuck? He said to go... Oh. I got to go back up. Is he still in there doing all that, bro? Calm down, man. I get the situation, but bro... Damn, I feel like I'm actually going to slip on these and fall. Oh my god. Why does every gaming developer do that dumb... Let's go. Damn. Whoo, it is... I should not... Bro, I should not be down here. Oh my god. What's this? Examine. I am there. I don't even know where I gotta get to. I don't like all the shaking it's doing down here, bro. Oh, come on! Oh, you gotta be fucking kidding me.
No chance.
Oh my god, bro. This is a death trap. Oh, y'all tripping if y'all think I'm about to jump over anything. Ah. Okay. That wasn't that bad. Oh, let me go. Jump. Entering access. What was that? We got shit falling up. Yeah, no. Haha. Y'all best make sure that paycheck is fat. Where am I? Oh my god. What's this? Do I do something over here? Nope, go this way. Oh! Fuck. Nope, 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 nope. Get me back up, bro. Are you for... Bro, that fucking check better be fat as hell, bro. I don't want to measure for my mama, bro. Jesus? Why does it look like... So this is definitely not normal. Get close to what? Oh yeah, for sure.
Jesus. What is this?
Bro. What the fuck is this? Oh, y'all do realize that I'm retiring after this. Oh, nah. Open that shit. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hold on. What is that? Y'all think I'm shimmying across that, man? It's always some fucking bullshit. Oh my fucking god. Bro, don't look down. Don't look down. Don't look down. Jeff, don't fucking look down. Don't look down. Ah, why? 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 Why me, bro? Oh, wait till I find that prick who was yelling at me. Just wait till I find. I don't even remember his name. Fire. Are you dead ass? I guess you can turn it off. Ah. Duh. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Do we need a ladder? Do we need a ladder? Yeah, please let me back up, bro. I've been down here longer than I needed to be. Seen shit that I don't think any man should have seen in their lifetime. Exhibit A. Why the fuck does it sound like that? Oh my
Shite.
Shite indeed. I feel like if I look down, I'm able to actually keep my balance. I don't know what those movies be talking about. Oh, no. Nah. We'll go in here. We'll go. This is a fucking joke. Oh. Bro. Fuck. Wait, how do you jump? Okay. Here we go. Oh, shit. I missed, bro. Wait, what did it want me to press? Oh, I got it, bitch. Oh. Oh my god. Oh, no, why? For the record, I would never do this in real life. Fucking get this shit over with. Don't. Bro, up. Bro, okay, we're holding. Go up. Hold on. Oh my god. This fucking shit always gonna happen to me.
Christ.
Oh my god. Fuck you. Oh my, bro. Are we for real right now? Monkey bars. Monkey bars. Monkey bars, bros. Just like elementary school. Please don't fault me on this. None of these look loose, so nothing could possibly happen. Just make it to the damn thing. Oh my god. Yo, that shit does not sound normal. Where is it? Hey, can I put on one of these just in case? The fuck is that? So we can get this shit over with, man. Engineering access. Ah. Finally. Whew. Okay. It's a whole lot better in here. Entering Legacy. Find a way through engineer. Go, go, go. Whew, it's dark as shit in here. Uh-huh. Oh, if it isn't Rennick. You bitch. Temporary? That bro is twisted in the head, bro. He's just twisted. Where do I? Ah. No. No. Ah. Where is it? How did this all get damaged like that? What the hell happened exactly? I want answers, man. I want my money more than anything, though. Climb. Oh my god. Again with the monkey bars. Really gotta hold off on Taco Bell. We're good. We're straight. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa! Get me out of here. Get me out of here. Get me out of here. Get me out. Where's the door? Where's the door? Did it open? Wait.
Locked.
Oh my god. Bro. What the fuck? Can I take this light with me? Nope. Huh? Of course. Come on. Whew. A whole lot more athletic than I thought. I don't even remember what they wanted me to do or where they even want me to go.
Something useful.
What's this? Oh, a flashlight. Thank God. It's kind of dark down here. What's this? Oh, battery for the flashlight? Okay. Oh, okay, gotcha. All right. Oh. Why it gotta be so dark? Is there a light or something? Oh. Yeah, gonna need that. Jesus. The hell? Look at this damn. This shit is not fixable. It's just not. This whole operation is going to shits, or has gone to shits, because that is just not fixable. What is all this shit, bro? Yo, it is really dark down here. This is probably gonna be fucking. Oh, there's a goddamn big ass fishes swimming in this day. Oh my god!
What is that?
What? That is my cue. I'm gonna leave, bro. Dog, why? What was that? One. Somebody's fucking with me, right? It's got to be one of the crew members. Ah, they're probably behind this door. Hey, bruh. What? I'm gonna need somebody to explain to me what that sound was. Nah, bro. Hey, I changed my mind, bro. I don't want to, bro. I don't want to fix anything here or to even attempt to fix it, bro. What the fuck, my guy? Hey, chill. Oh no, hey, something's down here, bro. Can we radio into somebody? Do we have anything on, bro? Maybe where I gotta go, there's a radio or something. Why am I doing this? I don't even give a fuck about anybody on this crew right now. I want to go home. I want to go. We got shit growling down here, bro. Dog, do y'all hear? Let me be quiet. Light. Bro. Yo, what? What's up? Nah, somebody gotta be fucking with me on the crew, bro. What do you mean locked?
Stuck fast.
It's this dumbass van in. Yup, it had to be. We just have a screwdriver on this big ass screwdriver. Come on. Oh my god. Damn, bro, it's very freaking dusty down here, bro. Still ain't found out what that noise was.
Jesus.
Hey, whoa. Is that I'm just gonna, okay. I was gonna assume that one of the members just got hurt because of all this damage and all that bullshit, but the noises I'm hearing right now in this, it's not adding up, bro. It's not adding up to what I want it to be equaled to, if that makes sense. Please be open. Thank you. A door that's open. Jesus. What the fuck?
Over here. Jesus.
Yo, what's up?
You all right?
Bro, what is that noise? Explain right now.
Who's making that noise? Gibbo. He's making that racket. Should we no find him, help him?
Oh, this is Gibbo?
I recommend that. What does that mean?
What?
It means he's no alright. After that explosion, he got oil or some shite on him and just, I don't know, he freaked out. Went for me. He's still out.
So he's freaking out over some oil that spilled on him.
That's exactly what I mean.
Oh, that's just fucking brilliant. You seen anyone else?
I just got here. Where you going anyway?
Bro, there's a lot of stuff going on. I just saw blood.
I have to get through the water tanks to get up to accommodation. And quiet like.
Gotta go all the way up there.
Quiet.
And what about Gibble?
Stay the fuck away from me. You listening to me? He's no right, cuz.
Oh yeah, no, you ain't gotta tell me twice. What?
Fucking careful, eh?
Aye.
Okay, when you tell me shit like that, it just let me know that something is most definitely amiss. Yep, you got like a pistol on you or something? Are you carrying some heat, dog? Cause like, ain't no way y'all about to send me down there without no heat. They're fucking sending me down here without some heat. You didn't tell me where Gibbo was. If I see him, I'm gonna slap the shit out of him, actually. Out here making all that noise over some spilled oil on him, bro. Like, we'll be able to take a shower later, but we just gotta, like, we gotta find a helicopter. That's all I care about. I hear groaning.
Fuck.
I will go no further. I will go no further. I'm leaving. I'm fucking leaving, dog. I'm just, y'all, not even enough money on this fucking planet is not gonna help me to figure out what I just looked at, but I don't care what I just looked at. I'm gonna go find that helicopter, go back home, find my local bar, watch some football games, and You know, business being out here in the middle of the ocean looking for oil. Think about it. We're so desperate for oil. We go out in the middle of goddamn nowhere, deep waters, deep seas. That water's probably 10 miles down, looking for oil. When we can try to convert to electric cars and all that, but nah, oil, right? Money, right? Big companies, all that across seas. Look where it got us! I'm fucking pissed.
Get this one open.
Open the fucking.
Chance.
If you think for 1 second I'm going in this goddamn room. Bro.
Jesus.
Why are you being so dramatic? Oh, there was a whole other way. I didn't even have to see that. I could have went my whole life without. What the f? Hey. Hey, I'm not feeling so well. What? Bro, I'm seeing shit. Oh no. We're going up this way. We're going back down that way. We're going back down that way. Let's go see what's over here. Oh my! Oh, yep. That's all I had to see. That's all I had. That's all I had. That's all you had to do. That is all. I get it. I understand it now.